Chargers are the compulsory essentials nowadays. So here are the 5 best chargers for your iPhone, iPad and MacBook Pro. Number 5. Balkan USB-C wall charger. 20 watt power design fast charging adapter. Ultra compact Type-C port mini charging block. Compatible with iPhone 12 series, iPhone 11 series, Samsung Galaxy Pixels and other USB-C devices. Number 4. Camox Fast Charger. Camox Fast Charger with 20 watt USB-C power adapter, foldable plug design adapter. This adapter compatible with iPhone 12 series, gaming console, tablets, smartwatches, Google Pixels and Samsung Galaxy phones. Number 3. Samsung 25 watt super fast charging wall charger with cable. Samsung chargers available up to 25 watt and 45 watt charger with cable. This charger compatible with iPhone and all Galaxy smartphones and tablets. Number 2. Anker Nano Charger. Anker Nano fast charging with power cord 3 USB-C to Lightning cable. Anker Nano charger available in 20 watt, 30 watt, 45 watt and 65 watt super fast charging. Compatible with iPhone 12 series, iPhone 11 series, iPhone SE 2nd generation, iPad Pro and MacBook Pro. Number 1. Apple 20 watt power adapter. The best and best charger for iPhone 11 and 12 series. The Apple 20 watt power adapter offers fast efficient charging at home, in the office or on the go. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Keep supporting and subscribe my channel.